Have you ever wondered how the most serious international crimes, like genocide or war crimes, actually make their way to a global court for justice? It is a complex but crucial process designed to ensure accountability for truly grave acts. When it comes to referring a case to the International Criminal Court, or ICC, not just anyone can bring a situation before it. There are specific, strict requirements outlined in the Rome Statute, the founding treaty of the court, that dictate who can make a referral and under what conditions. Primarily, cases can be referred by a state party to the Rome Statute, the United Nations Security Council, or initiated independently by the ICC Prosecutor. The core reason for these precise referral mechanisms lies in the International Criminal Court's mandate and its principle of complementarity. The court's jurisdiction is limited to the most egregious crimes of international concern, specifically genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression. Furthermore, for the ICC to act, the alleged crimes must have occurred either in the territory of a state party or been committed by a national of a state party. The principle of complementarity means the ICC only steps in when national legal systems are genuinely unable or unwilling to investigate and prosecute these crimes themselves, acting as a court of last resort. So, how does this process actually work? When a state party or the Security Council refers a situation, they are not necessarily referring specific individuals, but rather asking the prosecutor to investigate alleged crimes within a defined situation. The prosecutor then independently assesses the referral, gathering information to determine if there is a reasonable basis to proceed with an investigation. This involves evaluating the gravity of the crimes, ensuring they fall within the court's jurisdiction, and confirming that national authorities are indeed unwilling or unable to genuinely carry out their own investigations and prosecutions. If these initial criteria are met, the prosecutor seeks authorization from the court's pre-trial chamber to open a formal investigation. Understanding these parameters is key to appreciating the court's specific role in international justice. The Rome Statute, the foundational legal document, defines both the crimes under the court's jurisdiction and the conditions for exercising that jurisdiction. The principle of complementarity ensures that national sovereignty is respected, with the ICC intervening only when domestic justice systems falter. This careful balance prevents the court from becoming overwhelmed with cases that should be handled domestically, allowing it to focus on the most severe violations where justice might otherwise be denied. Ultimately, these stringent requirements for referring a case are vital safeguards. They ensure that the International Criminal Court remains focused on its crucial mission, holding individuals accountable for the gravest international crimes when national systems cannot or will not. This focused approach helps maintain the court's legitimacy and effectiveness, reinforcing the global commitment to ending impunity for atrocities.